You can also add extra pins to a connector that you've brought into your AutoCAD electrical drawing. Now we're staying in Demo 14 and we're staying in Drawing Demo 10 as well. We're looking at the smaller of the two connectors, which is PJ001, and you can see that we've got 4 pins on that particular connector. Now if I want to add a pin to this connector, what I can do is I can do it 2 ways. I can use the ribbon or I can use the right-click menu. Let's use the ribbon first. So I go to the Schematic tab up on the ribbon here, Edit Components panel, and it's this flyout here in the top right corner of the panel. And you can see there, these are all my connector edit tools, and I've got Add Connector Pins. It says specify where to insert the new pin. Now, if you look down at the command line, it says reset or 05. So basically what it's done is it's looked for the next available pin number, which is 05 in this particular case. Because I'm looking at this particular one, if I go and click here, can you see when I highlight like that and I click, the 05 goes in there and it goes where I click on the connector. So if you want these all to be nice and equally spaced, maybe pop a few little construction lines in there that are nice and neat and space the numbers out neat and tidily, and maybe use the object snap to snap to on the connector using an endpoint or intersection snap maybe. Now you'll notice as soon as I do that, the next available pin on the command line now is 06. Now if I right click and go to reset, it then says next pin. So what it's allowing me to do is override that sequential numbering. So I could put in say 10 and press enter. And then when I click here, let's say the next new pin is 10. So I can reset and now it's gone back to 11 on the command line, the next sequential one like so. Now you'll notice these aren't numbered up accurately anymore. I've got 01, 05, 02, 10, 03 and so on. That's not a problem. We can go and look at that and renumber pins later on in the section. What I'm going to do is hit escape a couple of times and show you the right click method. So I select the component, right click, and down here now you can see I've got add connector pins, and it's exactly the same. So now it's specifying where to insert new pin. You can see the default there is 11 on the command line. So if I come down here and click here, the 11 goes in there like so. So you can see now I've got a complete mishmash of numbers purely where I've just been inserting random pins into the connector. But that is how you insert new pins into a connector in your AutoCAD electrical drawings.